how beautiful it looks. Like it's shaped like a crescent. It has doubled in size. And now we brush it with some cold milk. Here, Letty, you can do the brushing. Some cold milk lightly so it's nice and moist, the cake.
Can you do it with egg also, or you have to use milk?
I just use milk because you have 2 eggs in the dough and you know you don't want too many eggs, but you can do it with egg and milk mixed also. But this is my way of doing it. And when that is all nice and moist, we put some nuts all around. You can use walnuts or almonds. I prefer walnuts. Now we need the nuts to put on. Here come the nuts. Here, Letty.
Okay.
The nuts, spread them nicely, and then we also arrange nuts all around the cake and bake them with the cake, because I don't want anybody from the family pick the nuts from the cake. So we put them all around, and when the cake is all baked, we preheat the oven to 375. We bake it on 375 about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. You have to check. Nice medium brown. And then when we take it out of the oven, we're gonna put sugar icing on it. We mix some powdered sugar with a little water to a nice consistency and spread it all over the cake and cover the nuts a little. Not too much icing, but just so it touches all of them. And then we go on the nuts all around the cake. And we put icing on the nuts. And then they can all pick the nuts.
So how's that look, Ma?
Does it look
That
okay?
looks nice, and now nuts all around.
Just throw them on the...
Okay.
Do we have any more?
Yeah, we can get some more pickle nuts.
That was Casey.
Then we take more nuts and bake it, and they taste so good when they're baked. And when it's on 375, we put it in the oven. And then we show you the end result when it comes out and when we put the icing on.
All right.
That looks cool.
We're ready to go.
Wonderful.
We're ready to bake.
That's it for now.